Welcome back to AI Factory Labs. This is our main dashboard for our AI marketing agent called AIMY. This is the dashboard. We're going to automated social media posting. You can see you've got the different workflows. You can create a new workflow. We'll create a workflow. You've got media, content, and smart outreach. We'll do a content workflow. So we'll click content workflow. And this is your social media content campaign. So you've got the workflow details. You need to give the workflow a name. So we'll give it a name called Suits and Blazers. Then we click the AI assistant to develop our template for this post. So we click AI assistant. Now we're talking to the AI backend, and it will talk you through how to create your template. It will ask you about what type your tone you want, the target audience. You need to tell it who the target audience is, and then it will give you more questions till it finally has enough information to give you a suitable template for you. Now it tells you about what keywords and topics you'd like to focus on in your posts, and you can add that as well. Now it's going to ask the preferences. What length do you want the post to be? Do you want to include emojis? A specific call to action? What your audience to take away after they read the post? So you give it some more instructions there. And then finally it comes out with your template. So there's your template now, and it says targeting men, but we actually want to target women as well. So we'll amend that and say we want to target all genders. And then it's going to come out with another template. And now if the templates, you're happy with the template, you can just click use template. And then the next stage is you add sources of content, websites, RSS feeds, blogs, etc., where you want it to take its information from to create the posts. You add the URLs, and then you go to the posting schedule. When do you want this to be posted? What day is it? Every day, every other day, etc., etc. Then you do the time that you want it to be posted. You can add the time, and then you obviously choose the platform. This one is for LinkedIn. And then you go back to your workflows, and then you can click the workflow to start the workflow. So the workflow started now. You created it, and now you started it. Then you go to the pending posts, and this is what's been created for the first post based on the information that you gave it in terms of style and tone, etc. You got human approval, so you can approve the post, or you can reject it if you're not happy with it. So then if it's still pending, then you can go and have a look. If you've approved it, then it's actually posted to LinkedIn. You can see it there is posted to LinkedIn. And it's all ready to go. Now let's move on to the email campaign. So with the email campaign, again, you can send information to people that have opted into your list. So you've got permission to send them emails. You click on email, and you give it a subject line, and then you give it a body, and then it tells you put in there what you want to type in there, what email you want to send to people, and then you can import a CSV with all your different people in there, and you can import social media handles as well, and you can have attachments as well. Again, you can schedule this depending on whether you want it to run straight away or if you want it to run at selected times and dates. Create the campaign. You can start it, and then you can see the email has been sent based on what you had already decided that you wanted to have in the post based on your template. And there you have it. There is a quick demo of AIMY, which is an AI automated marketing assistant. Thank you. For more information, and if you want a free trial, please email us at info@AIFactorylabs.io. Thank you.